created a SAP UI5 project. So the process which starts from in component.js file. So once it is initiated, once the application is started from the component.js file, with the help of metadata property, it will load configuration manifest.json file. So let's go to manifest.json file. Within this, in the manifest.json file, we do have root view. So it will go to root view. You can see here, as I said, it is combined the application ID. You can just scroll up and then you can see the application ID. It is this one com.suacademy.demo.helloworld, which is like we have given this as a namespace and this is module name. Now it is combined. So now let's go to root view. You can see. So this is our namespace now. This namespace indicates to the root folder. OK, so root folder is nothing but web app folder. OK, so here we are trying to tell load app view. OK, so till namespace it is web app folder, and after that under the web app folder we have view folder, and then within that we are trying to load app view. So this is how app view will be loaded. And once this is loaded, it will try to initiate and then call app controller with the help of controller name. So here again, till here it is our web app folder and then controller folder and then app controller. OK, so this is how the root view will be loaded. Till root view, this is how the application process works. And after that, it will jump to routing and navigation concept what we have. OK, so routing and navigation concept we mentioned in the manifest.json file. So let's say right now we have only one main view. So if we have multiple main view declared in the manifest.json file within the routing configuration, so which view will be loaded? That should be our question. So in that case, whichever view has pattern equal to empty, that target will be called. So for example, this root has pattern equal to empty. So in that case, this target main will be called. Inside target main, we have mentioned view name and then the view type it is XML. So it will load main view. OK, so how it will take like how the frameworks know that view name path, so that we declare here. OK, so the view path will be declared here, and then whatever inside the target, whatever view name we have mentioned, that will be loaded. OK, so this is like when we run application inside Fury Launchpad portal. What if we run application outside Fury Launchpad portal? Then the application starts from the index.html. OK, that means so when we run application inside Fury Launchpad portal, index.html will be ignored. So application directly will start from the component.js file. The reason why it is, so in index.html, mainly we load SAP UI5 framework, which is SAP UI core. So this is our framework file we need. So when we run outside Fury Launchpad portal, we would need resources to be loaded before starting the SAP UI5 application. So that's why we load resources and then we navigate to component. And from there, the rest of the process is still same. OK, and then so this is about the application process. So if we talk about like each and every file, what is this manifest file, and then what we do really in the component.js file, and where to write business logic and all, we will discuss in the next class. Thanks. Bye.